Welcome to Amazing Reviews. Today we have a curved monitor from Dell as a guest. The screen is in the upper range of the lower price segment and is suitable for both gaming and working. In this video, I'll show you the unboxing, simple setup, and initial test results. If you are interested in the monitor, you can find the corresponding link in the text box below. More about the product after the short intro. Let's start with the unboxing. I bought the screen at the special price offer. It was delivered very quickly. The box had minor damage on the corners when it arrived, but since the inside is jerk-proof packed, this didn't mean anything. At first glance, we see directly a few papers, for example, the energy class and a one-page assembly instructions. In addition, an HDMI and charging cable is included. The mount consists of two parts, each wrapped in its own protective foil so that it gets no scratches. Finally, the screen is found in the center of the packaging. For the assembly, we take the base plate out of its packaging. You can see that it is very sturdy. The mount is of high quality. At the back, we also find a small screw with a hinged handle. I see something like that for the first time, but I really like the idea since you do not need to use loose screws anymore. Now we need the connector, which is also of high quality and looks pretty nice. The monitor can be tilted between -5 and +21 degrees. To mount it, we simply put the two parts into each other and then tighten the screw. The screen has two HDMI inputs, display port, headphone jack, and of course the plug for the charging cable. The control buttons for adjusting the monitor are found on the right side. The screen is easily attached with a click mechanism. The height can also be easily adjusted by 100mm by moving the screen up and down with a little force. To remove the screen, you just have to press the button on the back and you can take the screen out of the holder. To finalize the whole thing now, we have to insert the respective cables. The rear panel has narrow ventilation streams that are supposed to optimize the screen's heat conduction. Visually, this is quite something. To start the screen, you have to press the ON button on the right on the bottom, select the language and you're ready to go. I won't go into detail about the screen settings now. You can see what is possible on the bottom right. The most important thing is that the screen has 144 Hz, 1 millisecond response time, which is more than enough for gaming. It's 27 inches, curved, and has a native resolution of Full HD, 1080p, at 144 Hz. The Comfort View feature reduces harmful blue light emissions and significantly reduces digital eye strain. Of course, you can also customize the image colors and much more. Here are a few color pictures to illustrate the high-quality resolution. You can always see a razor-sharp image, smooth transition to the color gradients, no defective pixels, and that even from the different viewing angles. I also ran a play test on the game Marvel's Guardians. Here you can see the result. It runs on the highest gaming setting. We reached a maximum of 191 FPS and I think the resolution speaks for itself. I have two 60Hz screens for work and gaming makes a clear difference here. For those who want to use this not only for gaming, the monitor is in fact also suitable for work. You can split the screens. The 27 inches are sufficient, 32 inches would be even better. Those who work with Excel will also be more than satisfied. And finally, small comparison between 24 and 27 inches. Here you can see the visible difference. All in all, I think the screen is great for beginners and advanced users. That's it from me. As mentioned in the beginning, you can find the link in the text box. Should I have helped you with this review, so please leave a subscription. A like and comment would be also nice. Otherwise, I look forward to seeing you at the next amazing reviews.